copper and not get charged. It would be sad to see your family in front of a firing squad. So to feed your kids, I need these bricks. 40 tons in total, let me test it indeed. Shit, this is good. Pass me a tissue and don't worry about them. I paid off to the fish.
Yo, it's don't come as a challenge. I'm the son of some of the ballots elected by my people. The only one in the ballot, born and bred to console with facts. I laugh at
Why? Why?
Because I want to take a picture of you taking a picture of them.
All right. It's neat that you have your own camera.
What?
It's cool that you have your own camera now.
Yeah. Just got to get pictures.
Come on, I fucking home was building a foundation of bloody souls, the hungry stolen of their souls. Across this country's running coke. I took a stunning oath to hush the ones who know. The CIA conducts the flow for these young hustlers that hustle dough.
I work in the hood. That's what's really good. It's the Proverbs in the hood. You fucking crack me up.
Okay.
What?
If you want.
Taking pictures and tapping phones, debating snitches and cracking codes. Fast a couple blasts for foe on any hustler stacking gold. Pumping crack a blow. And my overtime is where your taxes go. Again, your trust, get you the hand rate to us. Cause we paid up front on the low with cameras taping you. Getting pop away, the prison sentences do. Make the collars leave with you key.
Out the evidence room with my brain. Trump on the plane and watching you. Think you got one? They copping two. We control blocks. They lock countries and own companies. We had nice cars and sneaker runners. Now there's players out here talking about they homeless. The bucks in their house like they down south with windows open. Window ain't wrong. You wrong. You take shots in school. Let the beer in your mouth like forks and spoons. So enjoy the rush. Let's flush your cold bread. So you'll be in the cell with me like Jenny Lopez. In school, I was a bully. Now life is fully a joke. I keep afloat on a boat for Peruvian coke. Players do favors for governors and tax makers. Back quaking, smoke, crack, and sex act with bad mayors. The walls got energy. Big mouths probably scared. Not prepared to do years like high VS.
She's getting good.
You, mommy.
She's getting good at fighting.
Yeah, she's starting to figure it out.
In every state in this country, it's a lot deeper than the niggas on your block.
That's Bill. How'd this rip?
Mommy.
Probably one of the animals. Oh, it's me.
I'm not guilty. You're the one.
Whoa. You fell.
3, 2, 1.
Cheese.
All you who lobby against making
Oh,
drugs
dog.
legal, just like you did with alcohol.
She just scared her, guys. Dog scared her.
Mhm.